They look so tiny.
Yeah.
So small.
Good morning and welcome back to another video. We're in Almaty. This is day 2 in Shimbulak. We came here yesterday. Now we feel that we're quite acclimatized. कल सुबह जब आए थे हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा थोड़ी shortness of breath and all सबको हो रहा था. But now I think we all of us are quite acclimatized. Pallavi and I just woke up. It's around 10:15. We woke up around 8:39. वो body clock की नींद खुल जाती है. So we were just in our room chilling, charging all the gears and getting ready for today. So आज का plan ये है that हमारा अभी यहाँ से check out है around 12 साढ़े 12 बजे. And yesterday when we came here, when we reached the Shimbulak base camp, we were unable to ski because there were no trainers available. And unless and until you know how to ski, you can't ski here. We'll see if we can get an instructor today and try our luck at skiing. Let's start day 2. Okay. The cable car is also up and running. Yeah, no worries, no problem. So यहाँ पे basically what we have to do, I will write it on Google Translate, I'll show it to them and they'll do the same from their end too. That's how we communicate here. I feel it's always fun to be on new land and know how the other people live around the world. So this is real. That's real raccoon fur. All packed up and set to play in the snow and play a little Holi. We've got some gulal along with us and we're going to take some really nice pictures, videos for everyone and then head back down. So let's go.
All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right, 'cause we got way too much time to lose. So let me know if you want me to. So let me know if you want me to. So let me know if you want me to. We made a mistake, letting us slip away. But let's forget everything that happened, my love, my love. You got me chasing memories just so I can feel you. You got me wishing nothing changed. Oh, I think I need you. I think I need you right now. All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. I don't wanna waste one more afternoon being alone and not here with you. All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right, 'cause we got way too much time to lose. So let me know if you want me to. If you want me to. So let me know if you want me
Okay, now checkout done. Headed back to the cable car and then we'll head back down. So all in all, a beautiful experience. Definitely worth coming here if anybody is planning to come to Almaty. And thank you God. Always thank God for giving you experiences, whatever He decides to give you. And always believe that He's giving the best that is meant for you. And our dear friend Aman Chadda has decided to go for paragliding. Aman, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
कुछ कहना चाहेगा? Before you go. Veer, you also doing it?
I'm
also doing it.
All the best, guys. So कौन कर रहे हैं finally? Veer is doing it. Chadda, Beena तू कर रहे? And Ritika. 1, 2, 3, 4. So हमारे 4 daredevils हैं जो यहाँ से paragliding करके base camp तक जाएंगे. हे भगवान, please be with them. So this is the point where they start from, and वो नीचे जो valley है वहाँ पे एकदम the down valley. They'll land there. Pushki, you're also doing it now. Okay, now 5 of them are doing it. All the best. All the best, guys. Go for it.
मान की ऊंचाई पे कोहरा ही कोहरा है. #निकर. निकर से खत्म.
चलो, all the best, guys. All the best. All the best.
Just let it go. Let it all go.
Go for it, Ritika. All the best. Let it all go. Take a prayer. Go, Veer. Ritika is looking so cute. Excited? Okay, this is it. Go for it. Come on, Veer.
The people skiing, they look so tiny. Yeah. They look so like ants.
How was it, guys?
Fun, guys. It was amazing. It was so super. We literally he turned us upside down and we could see.
हाँ.
Yeah, we could see everything ऐसे ऊपर से.
Crazy.
It was very smooth.
Literally felt that you were sitting on a chair. मजा ही आ गया.
कुछ भी डर नहीं लगा.
मैंने उसको तो बोला 100 200 ले ले लैंड करा.
कैसा लगा?
It was a fuck one.
Like him, one of my friend, he's so afraid of heights, he can't go. कहते, oh, is it? Bhai, he took me to.
Yeah.
कहते 800 meters. Are you cold? मैंने कहा no, not easy. Easy.
How was it?
Very high.
How was it?
Good. It was too good. The glider was very experienced. His name was Daniel.
How was your experience? Yeah, tell me that. Was it amazing?
Yeah, it was too good. We landed at the second base site, which was just epic.
Very high, मजा आ गया. Too good, very good. Love it. फिर से करना चाहूँगा मैं. ये होगा fifth flight थी.
And we're back at the base station. This was it for Shimbulak. We had a great time over here. Everybody enjoyed. ऊपर थोड़ी ज़्यादा shortness of breath and थोड़ी dizziness लग सकती है if you guys are planning to come here. एक कोई aspirin या फिर there's another similar medicine that you can have if you feel a little dizzy. मैंने तो नहीं खाई, पल्लवी ने भी नहीं खाई, but some of our friends they had it. किसी को dizziness, anxiety, कुछ shortness of breath ये सब हो रहा था. Maybe because of the altitude and because of the weather, because कोई भी कभी भी -12, -13 degrees में रहा नहीं है. And we were staying there for 24 hours. But all in all, so good so far. All of us are refreshed and all of us are feeling much better after coming down. By 4, we plan on reaching the base level and वहाँ से half an hour की drive है to our hotel. So let's go.
ऑक्सीजन की कमी होने के कारण it feels like you are walking out on a मैं बहुत कर रहा हूँ ना you are walking on a 130 BPM
Beats per minute.
150
Breathe for a
इससे
minute.
बेटर मेरे को लगता है पैराग्लाइडिंग करनी सीधा नीचे नहीं
अच्छा. And we're back at the base. और डर नहीं लगा ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा लगा.
डर क्या नहीं? Let's go. Bye bye Shimbulak. You've been great to us. Thank you. Now we're gonna go to a nice place for some lunch and then go to our hotel. And we've reached to an Indian restaurant for lunch. Done with lunch, guys. What's the review of this place?
Good.
For the money, very good.
No, I think the food was quite
Okay.
Average.
मतलब below
A few things like mutton biryani was actually good compared to Delhi level.
But the
We checked into our hotel and this is how the room looks. Right now it's really messy. But all in all it's a good hotel. Our cab driver recommended us a local street here. And there's another very good place called the Queens. So we plan on hitting both of them tonight depending on the time that we have. Veer is here to give something. What are you giving? Who's it? Pajamiya?
आपके पजामी
who's it? This is
Vlog है.
ओ व्लॉग
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
ये आपके पजामी है
पजामिया है.
इसने हमें बहुत गरम रखा यार पता है इसमें
Little change in the outfit because जहाँ हमने जो जगह बुक करा है Queens, they have a really strict policy, outfit policy. They say that क्या Varul, please explain हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं and
So
what's the
basically,
outfit
we're going to
policy?
this place which is called Queen, and they have this theatrical show going on with tables all around, and it's a smart cocktail dress up kind of a thing. And they in Kazakhstan, especially Almaty, we've seen that there's a lot of face control. When we talk about face control, it is that they can outrightly reject at the entrance because they feel that you're not well
देखो
dressed.
एक बात बता, तेरे को लगता है इन चेहरों को कोई रिजेक्ट कर सकता है?
बात चेहरों की नहीं है, बात लुक्स की और कपड़ों की है. People here in Almaty are quite materialistic. I've seen. They judge you by the cover.
तो बेसिकली हमने अभी किया कि हमने सबने मिक्स एंड मैच किया है. किसी ने किसी की जैकेट, किसी ने किसी के जूते, किसी ने किसी की पैंट्स, किसी ने किसी की
But we're still quite unsure if we'll get the entry. Let's see. Let's hope for the well. We'll catch you soon.
entry.
So ये जो फेस कंट्रोल है apparently here in Kazakhstan they take it really seriously. ये लोग पहले फर्स्ट डे जाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. इनके साथ क्या हुआ था? चड्डे प्लीज टेल.
यार ये थोड़ा ना तू बोल रहा
बताना क्या हुआ?
इतनी मतलब तू शर्म बेइज्जती करेगा.
बताना हुआ क्या वहाँ पे?
अच्छा सो हम गए, हम काफी वैसे
टोपी भी खो गई है जस्ट.
हम गए सो इट वाज फेयरली नाइस, बढ़िया था. तो हम जैसे ही रिसेप्शन तक पहुंचे तो उन्होंने बोला लुक इनटू द कैमरा, सो वी ऑल लुकिंग इनटू द कैमरा एंड ही जस्ट डिड.
बट व्हाई मतलब
व्हाट यू वांट मी टू से दैट वी आर नॉट प्रीटी इनफ.
बट ये तो भाई मैंने पहली बार सुना, ये काफी क्रेजी लग रहा है मेरे को.
नो इट हैपेंस इन बर्लिन आल्सो.
तो फिर तू नहीं जा पाएगी?
तू भी नहीं.
मैं तो चले जाऊंगा.
क्यों? तेरा
I'm
तो
so-
फेस बहुत ही.
आई एम तो लुक नाइस.
But isn't your face?
No, I may look nice.
कंपाउंड
So we've reached the location. It's called Queen
Almaty.
Queen Almaty. ऐसा दिखता है. And ये देखते हैं यहाँ पे हमारा face control, face ID, डिजी आता चलता है नहीं चलता. So this is how it looks. Like this is a proper red carpet entry and all. Ready boys?
But there is no way they can deny us entry again. Let's go.
इनका डिजी यात्रा है अंदर.
Let's go, guys.
Please face their डिजी यात्रा. So we're out of the place as soon as we got here. बड़ा weird सा scene हुआ. So सामने एक CCTV कैमरा लगा हुआ था. They asked us to look there. उसके बाद they said, do you guys want to go to the karaoke? We said no. We have a booking for the theater. And theater में there is the restaurant which is called the dinner show. डिनर शो में बेसिकली क्या होता है, डांसेस होते हैं, लाइव म्यूजिक होता है एंड यू कैन लाइक सिट हैव योर ड्रिंक्स, ईट फूड. एंड कैरियोके में देयर इज़ नो फूड नो ड्रिंक्स, मतलब थोड़ा डल सा सीन होता है. सो हमारी बुकिंग वहाँ की थी. वी हैड अ मैसेज ऑल्सो एंड दे हैड आस्क्ड अस टू पे ऑन द स्पॉट 30,000 tenge per person, which is approximately 6,000 INR. But I don't know what happened. Maybe they rejected us because I don't know why. If you guys are planning to, if you guys are planning a trip to Almaty and if you want to see the theater show, so might as well research a little bit more or maybe ask somebody who's already been here. So not a good experience for us. Now we're looking for another place jahan par there's another theater show happening. So let's see how the night pans out. Let's go. Okay, now we've reached another place called Nino and they're also having a theater show here. And we've said ki Varul ka birthday hai, they're getting a cake.
by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Okay, so quick update. After leaving Nino's, we came back to the Speakeasy bar that we came back last night to end the night here. Cheers, guys. How was Nino's? How was
I wasted 3 hours.
How was Nino's, Shraddha?
Nino's was lovely.
हाँ ये हमने दोनों ने पूरी खत्म कर लिया
Okay, so we're done with the yellow door.
The yellow door.
And this is the memento that Veer and I have got.
Because Christina was this.
Okay, so
you want to do, man. Just don't trouble your mother.
we're about to call it a night because हम लोग सब बहुत थक गए हैं. And we had a long day. So after coming back, we were so hungry. We ordered some dinner, room service,
And some online
and
delivery.
some online pizzas also. Thanks, Veer. Chill for some time and then we'll call it a night. So tab tak ke liye shukran, alvida, masalama, take care, do whatever you want, our lovely friends. Checking out from day 4. So that's all for day 4. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next one. Good night.
Good night.